You searched how to buy shares of Phreesia Inc., and this video demonstrates the process. Phreesia is a healthcare software company that digitizes patient intake and related services, and it trades on NASDAQ as PHR. This is educational information and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we use eToro here as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker PHR to find Phreesia Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, check the company's summary and sector information alongside the price chart. Confirm the page shows Phreesia Inc. with the PHR ticker before proceeding. Click the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending until it opens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. See the eToro link in the description to follow this example. This is an educational demo.